Good morning, my friends. It's Steven Woloszyk from Prime Lending. Today's Tuesday. It's November the 29th, and that means it's time for Tuesday's 2-minute tip. Today we're back to credit. A couple of months back, I had some people come to me for a pre-approval, pulled credit, wound up seeing the highest credit score I've seen in my life, an 840 credit score. The middle score that we go by was 816. Somewhat irrelevant, 760 and above is absolutely perfect. They didn't find a home for a while, finally came together on a contract of late, and I recognized that the credit report, which is good for 120 days, was set to expire. Pull a new credit report, lo and behold, I have a 30-day late payment. Someone who's never missed a payment their entire life misses a payment within 30 days of closing on a new home, wouldn't you figure? So we lost 118 points on that 840 credit score. Wound up being a 722. Even though that's great credit, it impacts the interest rate and the mortgage insurance on it. So the borrowers would either have to pay a half of a point, which is $1,935, or take an eighth of a rate higher, and that would have been $28 more a month. On top of that, the mortgage insurance went from $84 up to $145 a month. So at a minimum, if they took the half point charge and the mortgage insurance for 5 years, it was like $5,611 that they'd pay in difference just because of that one late payment. Conversely, if they took an eighth higher in interest rate and paid it over the life loan, it was like $13,754. Major impact, one single late payment. Here's the good news. I sent a link to a video I had uploaded on YouTube that I did earlier this year about requesting a courtesy deletion. Within an hour, I had the documentation from the vendor saying that they were going to delete this from the credit report. We submitted that rescore on Wednesday, should be back today. We should be back to what we were looking at before. It's important to note, not all lenders will allow for a rescore. We didn't allow it at our prior employer, and a lot of places don't allow that because they look at it as manipulating the credit score. We allow it here. But the important lesson in Tuesday's tip is to keep up on every single one of your payments throughout the process. One single late payment can cost you 100 points, can cost you thousands and thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. That's Tuesday's tip, my friends. Steven Woloszyk from Prime Lending. I thank you as always for tuning in, hitting like, sharing, and commenting. And listen, as always, make it a great day.